How to recover lost Fiverr chats. Step-by-step guide to restore conversations easily. Losing important conversations on Fiverr can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are methods to recover them. Follow the step-by-step guide to retrieve your lost Fiverr messages. Method 1. Restore Fiverr messages from a backup. If you have previously enabled backup on Fiverr, you can easily restore your conversations. Step 1. Check if you have a backup. Open Fiverr on your mobile device. Go to the More tab, 3 horizontal lines or dots. Navigate to Settings, Account, Fiverr Backup. Check if a backup has been made and look at the date. Step 2. Uninstall and reinstall Fiverr. Uninstall Fiverr from your device. Don't worry, if you have a backup, your messages will be restored. Go to the App Store and reinstall Fiverr. Open the app, enter your phone number, and wait for the verification code. Step 3. Restore your backup. After verifying your phone number, Fiverr will prompt you to restore your messages. Tap Restore Now and wait for the process to complete. And try to be patient. Good things take time, and so does digging your chats out of digital limbo. Just don't panic if it takes a while. Your messages aren't ghosting you, probably. So please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Retrieve Fiverr messages via cloud backup, Google Drive or iCloud. Step 1. Backup to Google Drive, Android or iCloud iPhone. On Android, open Fiverr. Go to Settings, Fiverr Backup, and make sure your Google Drive account is linked. On iPhone, go to Settings, Fiverr Backup, and ensure iCloud Backup is enabled. Step 2. Restore from cloud. Uninstall and reinstall Fiverr as mentioned earlier. When prompted, select the Google Drive or iCloud option during the setup process. Tap Restore to retrieve your messages from the cloud. Method 3. Use third-party recovery tools. If you don't have a backup, you may need to use a third-party data recovery tool. Keep in mind these tools are not always 100% reliable but can be helpful in some cases. Step 1. Download a recovery tool. Search for and download a trusted data recovery software like Phone, iMovie Phone Rescue, or TenorShare Old Data. Step 2. Connect your device. Open the recovery tool on your computer and connect your phone via USB. Follow the tool's instructions to scan your phone for detailed Fiverr data. Step 3. Recover your messages. Once the tool finishes scanning, it will show you the recoverable messages. Select the ones you want and click Recover to save them back to your phone or computer. Method 4. Contact Fiverr support. If none of the above methods work, you can reach out to Fiverr support for assistance. Step 1. Submit a request. Go to the official Fiverr support website and submit a help request. Provide details of your issue, including your phone model and the steps you have already taken. Tips to prevent future data loss. 1. Regularly backup your Fiverr chats. Go to Settings, Fiverr Backup, and schedule automatic backups. 2. Save important conversations. Export crucial conversations to your email or another storage. And there you have it, friends. Your Fiverr chats are safely back, and just like magic, you have restored those precious conversations. Remember, every problem has a solution, and with a little bit of patience and the right tools, you can bring back what was once lost. Before you go, always remember to keep your memories back up and your heart open to new connections, because, as the saying goes, the magic of communication isn't just in the messages we send, but in the ones we save. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more magical tech tips. Stay connected, stay positive, and remember, you've got the power to restore anything. Until next time, keep shining bright.